Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. While plump lips are trendy, sometimes you want a more delicate or refined look. If you feel your lipstick, or your lips, are actually overpowering your smile, or just prefer a general shape, FaceApp can tone them down easily and naturally. So the key to make a lip smaller is not squishing them flat, but bringing the edges inward so the shape stays proportional with FaceApp's Precision Edition. You can make this adjustment without smudging the rest of your face. So in this guide, I will show you how to gently reduce the lip size while keeping the natural basically look of your mouth. So let's get straight into it. First, you can easily select the liquefy or the reshape tool depending on which version you are using. So this is the icon that looks like a curved arrow or wave. Zoom in on the mouth area so you have precise control. Then use your finger to gently push the outer edge of the lips inward toward the center. You can do this slowly to get basically the best results. You can also use the shrink option. Some versions of this app have shrink function under the face reshape menu. If you see a slider from outside, drag it slightly to the left. Use a very low intensity, around 10 to 15%. Then smooth the edges. After resizing, use the skin or smooth tool to soften any pixelation or jagged edges. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.